Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in today's video, let's learn how to smoothly shift the gears in a manual transmission car. So guys, basically when you are new learner, you will have problem in shifting the gears. Or say you will have problem in selecting the correct gear. So when you want to shift into first gear, you mistakenly put the car in third gear. And when you want to shift the car in second gear, you mistakenly put the car in fourth gear. So to eliminate this problem, we'll be learning about the palming method for shifting the gears. So now let's look at the gear patterns on the gear knob. You can see here the first and second gear is on the left side, and fifth and reverse gear is on the right side, and third and fourth gear is on the center. And you can see here straight horizontal line. This indicates the neutral position of the gear. So now the car is in neutral, and as you guys can see, it can the gear lever can be pushed towards left and right freely. So if you want to engage first gear, um, what you do is you put your palm on the right side of the gear knob and gently apply little bit pressure towards left, and by applying pressure towards left you push the gear lever to the front. Now the car is in first gear. If you want to shift from first to second, apply little bit pressure to the left and push the gear lever straight back, applying little bit pressure to the left. Now the car is in second gear. Now if you want to shift from second to third, put your palm straight on the top of the gear knob and apply a little bit pressure to the front. Now the car is in neutral, this center position, and to shift into third gear, you push the gear lever to the front one time without applying pressure neither to the left or right, straight to the front. Now the car is in third gear. If you want to put from third to fourth, pull the gear lever straight back. Now the car is in fourth gear. So if you want to apply fifth gear, first of all, put the gear from fourth to the center part by pushing a little bit to the front. Now the gear is at the center part. And to engage the fifth gear, you put your palm on the left side of the gear knob and apply little bit pressure to the right, and then push the gear lever to the front. Now the car is in fifth gear. Similarly, if you want to engage into reverse, you pull little bit to the back. Now the gear is in center part. Put your palm on the left side of the gear knob, apply little bit pressure to the right, and push the gear lever to the back. Now the car is in reverse gear. So guys, and this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you guys learned something, don't forget to like the video. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss on this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.